Hello, good afternoon. So today I just thought to take the motorbike. It has been just sitting for a while. So I'll show you today some of the Sydney's iconic places. So we'll be riding on some motorways and see other side roads and streets and all sort of things. And we'll go to the over the Bridge, Harbour Bridge, some of the city areas, and the Bondi Junction, and also last but not least the Sydney Opera House. So we're just ready and just give it a little bit warm up, and let's go and have a ride. It's a beautiful day today. Yeah, so that's the Great Western Highway. I'll cross this traffic light, and on the other side we'll take the motorway. This is Elizabeth Street, Sydney CBD. This is all city area. So we'll be turning left from here towards the Bondi Beach. This is the Bondi Beach area. There's lots of cafes, restaurants, coffee shops. So maybe I'll have a bit of go around and try to see if I can find a parking to have a bit of coffee, and then we can explore the things further, because I've been driving riding for past 1 hour non-stop. Right, so just finished the coffee. This coffee was good. The banana bread was pretty good as well. Now the stomach is a little bit full. Didn't feel like having a lunch, but just a bit of bite. So the beach look very beautiful. It's nice and green area. A lot of people just relaxing. Not going there. I'll show you some drone shots, and it'll give you some idea. It's nice and clean. Australian beaches and the beach areas, they're very clean, nice and clean. That was the Bondi Beach. It's just weekend, so generally it's busy, but I think it's not too busy today because the water is a bit cold. But generally it will be crowded if it's like a hot weather. So let's go to Opera House. Yeah, it's too much traffic. It's too much traffic, traffic everywhere. Look at the city, how beautiful this is, It's very beautiful. Alright, so this is the opera house here. I'll see if I can just go there and then come back. This is all area. It's a bit hard to there's no parking here, so I'll try to find some parking and then take a few shots around. It's very beautiful from here, you see. The ship is it's a massive ship, and then the Harbour Bridge on the front. The small boats, the ferries are running around here. It's looking really beautiful here. ये यहाँ की जो है ना लाइट रेल है ना, तो ये अंदर पूरे सिडनी के सीबीडी में जो है ना वो ट्रेवल करती है, आगे भी चली जाती है। जो आउटर सबर्ब्स हैं इतने ज़्यादा भी नहीं, लेकिन going over the Harbour Bridge from here, because apparently there was no right turn from there, so it'll be a long flight to come back. So that's the harbour area. It's large buildings around here. Alright, so this is a reserve here, and there are some facilities provided like bathrooms and some play areas as well. So yeah, these are the bathrooms here and some play areas as well. I just use some facilities around here. Yeah. So you said you were
I work for
BMW.
Yeah,
Right.
personal
The motorbikes here, just here or?
Motorbike on the Sunshine Coast.
Oh, Sunshine Coast. Oh, beautiful. So you're
Coast,
coming
yeah.
from with this
Yeah,
up
up north.
Up north, yeah. I've driven up to
Colombia.
Cairns.
Have you?
Yeah,
Ridden?
from Sydney to Cairns. You know,
Yeah,
and then
I've
back.
ridden from Brisbane to Noosa.
Yeah.
Right.
I went to Sunshine Coast as well. It's
Yeah.
beautiful out here.
It's lovely.
The whole coast is, you know, it's
It's a beautiful country.
yeah, the whole
Yeah.
coast itself is good.